Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do a try-on on this product from Belo. This is a whitening cream for the underarms. If interested, please keep on watching. So I saw this video from my friend. Okay, she did this a year ago, and not barely a year. Okay, so she reviewed this product, and I'm interested. So we are going to do a try on today. I am excited because I was reading or like watching other people's video about it, and it has lots of good stuff in this product. Let's read, okay? It has alpha arbutin. It has hydroxyphenoxy propionic acid. I forgot what is it. Dimethicone is good for like in the sun. Let's just do a first impression, okay? And I will walk through the ingredients after, maybe in a separate video, so I can really see what all this about. But for now, we are just going to do a first impression, testing it out in front of a camera. Yay! If you wanna see this look right here, this eye makeup, I'll post this. Anyway, so let's try this. Let's open this bottle. I think this is 199. I will put a price here, okay? Diyan naman tayo sa price. Kasi I tried to like buy products tapos makakalimutan ko ba. Okay, so yan. Okay naman yung smell no? Wait. Refreshing in smell. Okay. So, i-ano natin yung consistency, no? Kung ano siya. Sige. Para ano ba yan? Oh. Well, siguro, okay na siguro yan, no? Yan. Yan. Okay. Yan. So, thick siya, no? Oh. Smooth. Very smooth siya. Sorry for the noise. Okay, so let's try it. Wow, cooling. Okay, yan. Wow. Very smooth siya, guys. Wow. Cooling. Bango. Gusto ko yung bango niya. I like the smell. Very nice yung smell. Like the smell. Ulit tayo. Alo, damihan ko guys. Dami. Alright, let's do that. Ganda niya. Galing. Okay, day 1. Day 1. Day 1. Alright, yung ating underarms. Day 1, first try on. So, meron tayong dark spots dito sa gitna. Okay. Dito rin. Meron. Okay. Yung grayish lang. Okay. Yan. Okay. Yan. Maybe do another more close-up look. Okay. Yan. Okay. Another one. Okay. What's your product? I hope you can do it. Ano siya? Absorption, hindi madaling maano. It's not sticky naman. No. Hala, gusto ko yung amoy niya. Dito na tayo magtatapos sa ating first impression. So far, okay naman siya. Hindi naman siya yung meron kang mafe-feel na something na burning or stinging. No, wala naman siya. Wala. Lotion. Ganun. Okay, so this is it. This is our first impression. Today is ano ba? Yan. Okay? Malapin natin. Okay, I'll be back maybe 2 weeks or a month. Okay, so this is it. Bye!